Thousands of young footballers across the globe whose aim is to play in professional football clubs in the world. Only about 10% end up realizing their dreams. What become of the 90%, most of which have dropped out from school just to pursue the football career? Out of 5 footballers, only 2 can boast of a sustainable livelihood after their football career. It is for this reason that Bridge Beyond Balls on Friday, May 3, 2019, organized a career orientation workshop at Mansfield Plaza Hotel to guide footballers on how they can have a sustainable future.
The purpose for the workshop today was that we should try to orientate players, football players, to give them the mindset to start thinking of their careers after football, what they would do, what exactly, what directions they will take when they stop playing football. Because most of them finish football and they don't know what to do. They start getting confused about what direction to take. So what we are trying to do is we wanted to give them a push to start thinking about that after football.
There are a lot of other careers that footballers can pick after they retired from the game.
Most of them always think just about coaching careers. We have much more of careers in football itself and out of football. You have sports pundits, you have sports journalists, you have agents. Those are careers that they can pick up. But we are also thinking, we also want them to also think beyond football, to think about all other options that are available. So what we are doing is we are trying to empower them with skills that they can take, that will match their interests, things that they can think about when they finish playing. So we are creating a system. We have created our PAC program to take them through, for them to gain those skills and be empowered to get onto other careers.
Ademinov Chi is a football player with the Public Works Department, PWD of Bamenda.
This program has greatly helped me in such a way I never expected, because seriously, after football, I wasn't thinking a lot of what I'm going to do next. But actually, it has really built up my mind. So at least it has made me see reasons like what to do after football, because I was just thinking of career, football, and nothing after football. But I'm so impressed with the program now, because at least it has given me reasons for what I'm going to do. So I've started thinking on what to do after football.
Other footballers are encouraged to join Bridge Beyond Balls so as to plan a better future after their football careers.